Here we are, halfway up the Glacier Knob, East Glacier Knob in Rocky Mountain National Park. Me and Tom, getting some work done. Sporting Gravel crampons and some brand new Bachuras. Oh yeah, dude. Just did a little tree belay. The sun's been good to us. She's just right up there, shining through. Up there is Mills Lake, Keyboard of the Winds, and Long's Peak, ultimately. It's a little snowy. How you doing, T?
Really good.
What do you think?
I think this is pretty awesome.
Uh-oh.
I just lost my ID.
There's your ID. It's okay. It has a mustache on it. You could get another
I
one.
need a beaner for that.
Might try to go with that little crack right there. Or maybe left. We'll see. Peace! Nice. If you want to go around to that way. Nice, dude. How was it?
That's my first crack.
Sick, dude. Summit. It's right there. Nice job, man.
We did it.
We did it. Look at that. There's some folks down there. Frozen. Peace. Yes, dude. Let me fix your rope. There you go.
Nice.
She was good to us today.
This Colorado stuff isn't too bad.
Not too bad, huh? Frozen snot and warm toes.
What else do you need?
What else do you need? Onward and upward. Well, we're on our hike down after successfully summiting. Thomas, how you feeling?
Awesome. We did it.
First one to trip on their own crampons buys the first round. This is Park Valley. We rented snowshoes, but we didn't need them because it's all boot pack, even though like 6 inches dumped. You want to say a few words?
I think I've said what I need to say.
Nice. Well, that's all, folks. Catch you on the flip.